Victims of domestic abuse in the UAE now have even more comprehensive legal framework to protect them. This is in accordance with the new law against domestic abuse, being the Federal Law Number 13 of 2024, which came into effect on October 2nd of 2024. At a high level, the new law offers 1. Broader definitions of abuse, 2. Immediate and long-term protective measures, and 3. A support infrastructure. Furthermore, the law has made the process of reporting abuse more straightforward, ensuring that victims can access the help they need without the fear of retaliation or exposure. As for the law, victims of domestic abuse should do the following. 1. Call or visit the police or emergency service. Law enforcement officers should provide immediate protection, initiate investigation, and help the victim access shelters or medical assistance. 2. File a complaint in the Family Protection Department located at the nearest police station. This department should assist in obtaining emergency protection orders or restraining orders against the abuser. 3. Seek medical assistance and report abuse. If the victim has sustained injuries or needs medical assistance, they should seek treatment at a hospital or clinic. As per the new law, medical staff are required to document and report any injuries as a result of domestic abuse, which can later serve as evidence for the case. Number 4, apply for protection order. Victims can apply for protection order through the Family Protection Department or the courts to restrict the abuser's contact with the victim. Number 5, contact social services or victim support centers. There are organizations and social service centers across the UAE which should provide support specifically for domestic abuse victims. These centers should offer shelter, counseling, and legal assistance. Victims can contact these centers either directly or through law enforcement. Number 6, use the UAE reporting hotlines and apps. The UAE has established several dedicated hotlines and mobile apps for reporting domestic abuse. For example, for child protection, there's a child protection hotline, and it can be used to report abuse against children, including domestic violence. There's also a women's protection hotline dedicated to supporting women who are victims of domestic violence. There's also a Police Eye app allowing residents to report domestic violence cases discreetly through a mobile application. Number 7, approach a legal representative. Consulting a legal professional who can assist in filing complaints, applying for protective orders, and representing victims in court can be of great assistance to victims of domestic abuse. So all those who find themselves victims of domestic abuse should know that the law is on their side and should not be afraid to approach the authorities and seek protection of dedicated services.